In the last month of 2019, Alex and I set out on an adventure that we'll never forget. This was the quest to my third dream destination.
We have been in Bali for 5 days now, and we're making a quick detour heading to the airport and flying to East Java. I'm so excited to show you guys, so let's go. Here, I'll hold this one. I'll just hold this side. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So for today, we are flying with AirAsia to Surabaya Airport, which is the airport in East Java. And yeah, we're just going to the gates, gonna drop our bags off so we can chill and watch my NBA. So one thing that always kind of happens to me here and with Alex now is that they always mistake us for Indonesians, because Filipinos and Indonesians have very similar traits, and then my skin tone or whatever, how tan I am is like doesn't really help. Kind of makes it difficult for them to figure out. So yeah.
We have to say, saya tidak bisa bahasa Indonesia, which means I can't speak Indonesian.
Thank you. So we have made it to Surabaya Airport here in Java, and then we're gonna meet up with the driver, and we'll see you tomorrow morning at like 1 a.m.
We woke up at 2:30 in the morning to catch our jeep and made our journey towards Mount Bromo. Clearly it was a cold, dark and bumpy ride, but eventually we made it to the viewpoint.
It is currently 4 a.m. in the morning. We have been in a jeep for an hour, traveling through a little town and on a little hill, mountain maybe. But we're on our way to see the lookout for Mount Bromo. Super excited for today. Super early, but I've actually got the energy, so let's go. So we left our place at 3 a.m. and we had an hour drive, arrived there at 4, and the sun rose at 5 a.m. It was so beautiful and we had some cinematics, so exciting. Finally on the way down now. It's so cold up here, but we're heading to our next spot. We spent like 30 minutes up there taking photos, videos, and I'm really happy with the results. So super keen to get to the next location. What are you getting?
A magnet.
Yes, little souvenir from Bromo, East Java.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. What do you have so far from our trip?
I think I've got.
Yeah?
Oh no, I haven't. I don't
From
even
Ubud?
have one. Oh yeah, I do.
Just that so far, hey? Oh, 3 already? Super crazy here, guys.
And-
Super packed still. What are you gonna say?
And this.
So this is what we're riding on. Bunch of jeeps. So we made it to the bottom. We're on the plateau. It's called the Sea Sand, and we've got the view of the volcano there and like these mountain ridges. Check it out. This actually reminds me of when I was in Kauai. It's super crazy, super nice. You wanna look? Maybe.
Like maybe no black.
We just had such a good photo session. Alex is looking for shirts. I already got my beanie from up there before. But yeah, awesome photo shoot session and the drone. I tried to find the drone in this area, but something's wrong with the gimbal. I don't know if there's too much sand, but I hope it still works. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this part of the vlog. And we're gonna have...
But then my camera died. We didn't do too much after that, but we did make it to our next destination. My dream destination.
Oh, we know each other. Yeah.
Good.
Wait, did you pay already?
Okay, so we're here at Tumpak Cebu Homestay, about a 3 to 4 hour drive from our Bromo accommodation, and this place is actually near my third dream destination, which is a massive waterfall. But the thing is, I actually got a mad fever because at the viewpoint from Mount Bromo, it was super windy, super cold and chilly. And at the time I was kind of okay, but at the time we got home after all the activities, I just felt like absolute crap. So I don't know, I need to rest up today. We still have like a half day. Hopefully if I feel better tomorrow, I can hike down this waterfall and hopefully show you guys how amazing the place is. We'll see. I believe it is December 2, or day 2 anyway, the next day. And I'm feeling so much better. I'm ready to take on this massive adventure on the way down to Tumpak Cebu waterfall. I'm so excited. I hope I stay healthy and really keen to go.
This is area parking.
Okay.
Go down, panorama.
Yep.
Go down.
So we are walking for about 15 to 20 minutes to make it to the view from a top. And then walking down will be about 30 minutes, maybe 50 minutes. It's a long hike down, so gonna be a big one. I'm so excited. This is the viewpoint for Tumpak Cebu, which they call the panorama. I guess it's a massive wide view. This is the third dream destination. Oh wow. So I have switched to the GoPro. We are making our way down to the waterfall, and it's pretty muddy right now, and it's only gonna get worse, I believe. So I'm really excited to get there.
The hike down wasn't too bad for me, but some parts were definitely sketchy. Just before we got to the main event, we cooled down at this waterfall.
This is a different. Oh, it looks good though, but different.
You can look up here.
This is probably one of the craziest hikes down to a waterfall. Just the views all around are incredible. It's just beautiful. And we're about to make it up there, and I'm super excited. Been here for a good amount of time taking photos and videos of this amazing destination. Actually so happy that I got better and was able to see Tumpak Cebu waterfall. Oh my god, I'm so happy.